waking up of the country where love had conquered me. Learn if it is not troublesome to you what makes me glad and what makes me angry. Wherever I turn, but as long as I am with noble company, I should not let anger make me grieve, for I could not put it aside later. But I was faithful to a certain love until it pleased her to leave me. And because of her wrong, she betrayed me, doing good and too much, pressing me with fair words. For from a sweet noble land she betrayed me and made me leave. But whatever delays, she will have shame for it. I never traveled so many roads toward Franks nor toward Saracens, where I might have better found rest, nor love true worth more with service. And the noble people who are courteous and fine, those who would see me coming late. So badly does it go for me that she distances me from them. That love of which I was neighbor, which now grows cold for me, I would love more than Roy's. And if it were not for foolish barking to startle me, and my sweet noble lady happened to lie to me, you would have such a message. I rejoice to be henceforth, since bitterness has made me bitter. For now I feel myself of all colors, green and white and brown and bay. And I imagine and I tell you of love, a noble thought that fears to perish there where it is necessary to distance oneself. Now they have without heart and false laugh, all this is like the bee. For I leave her and abandon her, and she will never see me again. I must depart from the noble land. If it were not for what makes me angry about it, I would be better off in the canonry. Surrets to you, he who torments himself to enjoy too much human joy, does wrong who does not dispute it.